Tineco A11 Master Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, 450W Suction Power Cordless Stick Vacuum, 2 LED powered brushes for hardwood floors, carpet, pet hair deep clean. 60 minutes long-lasting runtime. Tineco A11 attached to detachable batteries provide 20% longer runtime for the whole house cleaning with cordless convenience. Tineco is the only authorized seller on Amazon. Enhanced Extreme Suction. Tineco A11 450W digital motor provides 120W extreme suction power on max mode for 24 minutes deeper cleaning, delivers high performance on carpets and hard floor. 2 LED full-size power brushes, specific care for different floor types, professional treatment for different dirt,